See the whole background. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Bag
Dr. Susri, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You want to share something on your birthday?
This is my last. This is hopefully my last birthday in Barampur and MKCG.
Happy, you want to say something about Happy Susri's birthday?
Happy birthday, Susri. Now you say something.
So hello everyone, we have come to the Susri's birthday at this Siraj Golden Restaurant. We are planning to go somewhere. So we are going today. What is it?
We will be going to the waterfall.
Waterfall. Which waterfall?
Bariya Pathara.
Yes, we are going to waterfall that is Bariya Pathara. So before going to a waterfall that is Bariya Pathara, at first we will be going to this Siraj Golden Restaurant. That is one of the popular restaurant of this Barampur, and we are having the that lunch is here. After the lunch we will be going to Bariya Pathar. So let's see the Bariya Pathar waterfall. So Happy will be showing something. So what is showing? Let's see. Oh yes, we have brought this duplicate as for the safety purpose. If someone attack us, we can use this one. So it's original no? This is very dangerous, right? Abhi. Happy
Thank you. Bye, Happy birthday, Susri. Ajita birthday.
This March for the mobile do purchase the incentive for
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I lose you if I didn't. Girl, if I will.
It's called Lani.
Andhra, government of Andhra Pradesh.
Government of Andhra Pradesh welcomes you.
Code likhai. Code likhai.
Likhai claro mo assi je ipudu movie ani.
Happy ko jagala de.
Ame thara assi thilu. Telangana.
Oh, it's a round about Telangana.
Ebe phone ke liye Indra Chandra pokoibo.
No, amar koibo.
Taangile ekde
Ebe
bekti.
change he jayich.
Anjali ke
phone to joad sim ko jo seva sakebo. To joad sim ko jo seva sakebo.
चल अभी चलो हम गाड़ी खोला कर तू बांग से खोलूं अरे बोरिया पता ना पड़ जे
ये पांच आंब रे पचारिबो पचारले
पांच आंब केता उडी जे
हैं कोन बोले
તમે ઓડિયા ના તેલુ
आमे उड़िया आगा
ઓડિયા का
आंध्रा सारे
अरे एइटा ओडिसा त
ઓડિયા પત્ર આગે તો
my
Hello everyone, we have come to a new waterfall, that is Bariya Pathar waterfall. So from that mountain you can see that is the mountain, and you can see that also cloud is going over this mountain. You can see the cloud. Yes, you can see this cloud. It is moving over the mountain. Yes, from that mountain point of view, this whole waterfall comes and it goes down to a village. So this area is a very beautiful area. You can see all these mountains are here, and you can take a bath here. Normally in the Sunday and all January 1st and December 31st, all the people from Berhampur and from different places, they come to this place. And recently this is a it's a rest house that has been constructed by the government of Odisha. So when the people come, they can take the rest here. So you can see the whole fresh water. In some time we'll go inside this waterfall. To the peak of the waterfall, we'll see a whole waterfall area. So yes, let's see the Dr. Susri, how is this place, Bariya waterfall?
This is what traveling 2.5 hours, and this is nice.
The journey is little tough, means little dangerous.
Yes, very
So
tough.
one should
I
avoid.
don't know whether we can return or not, but still, let's enjoy now.
So you should try to come in the morning time, because in the evening time it's like inside a very tribal area. So it's like very deep inside a jungle. So it is very deep. So you have to come in the morning. So guys, these are the whole waterfall area. You can see there are 3 waterfalls, and one is the big one, and the other 3. Let's come one by one to all the waterfalls. So this is the top of the mountain. The waterfall is very high. You cannot go more high. So let's see the first one. This is the first one where you're going to see the water is falling down. Yes, this is the Bariya Pathar waterfall. This place is not that popular, and normally the people come in the morning time to here. So let's do the most beautiful waterfall. So hello guys, beside me you can see this Bariya Pathar waterfall. So this place is not that popular, but it's very beautiful. All that area, these are the mountains, and this is the waterfall beside me. You can come here with your swimsuit and take the bath in the nature's pool. Let's see the whole pool and the whole waterfall area. Yes, this is the waterfall where you can see the water is falling. How beautiful it is. The water is totally pure, you can see. You can come here and take the bath at nature's pool. It seems little depth. I can see the down part of this waterfall. So this is the whole waterfall, and these are all these mountains. To the top of that mountain, the water comes. So it is the evening time. I am giving you the source from this Bariya Pathar waterfall. You try to avoid coming in the evening time. So you should leave this place before the evening time. From the top of the mountain you can see these are the down part of these small mountains. These are the biggest mountains of this Bariya Pathar waterfall, from where the waterfall is starting. And this side, this is some of the small mountains. We came from that whole, that side, all mountain that side we came to this waterfall, Bariya Pathar waterfall. खोलना जल्दी से
बड़े प्रॉब्लम है ये जी छुरी देनी साइको
खतरा करना
छुरी तो लगी कि डीएसएल तो ना
डीएसएल दिल्ली तो हूं.
So we are having the birthday celebration of Dr. Susri in this hilltop of this place name is what I forgot. Bariya Pathar. Yes, we are having the celebration of Susri's birthday in this hilltop, that is Bariya Pathar. You can see the whole background. Yes, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Susri. Happy birthday to you. So it has got evening time and it is too risky to stay more time, so we'll be going very fast from here. So this place is, a long.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
From the hilltop, this birthday celebration is occurring at the evening time. Today is August what? 2nd or 1st it is? 3rd. So sorry, August 3rd it is.
भाई साइड को
जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी
जल्दी काटो जल्दी खाओ जल्दी चलो
अबे ए दा हम भल रहो सुन रहो झाड़ा बदल भल रहो सुन अरे भल करो यार ये राति हेलानी सी 7 पाखा Guys, this is the biggest pool of this area. So on the hilltop, that was a small pool, but here you can come and take the bath from the nature's pool. You can see this is the water falling from this waterfall. You can also take the bath also here. Here also you can take a bath and you can go deep inside that area. So the people tell here that the water is deep. So you have to be very careful while taking the bath. So this is the Bariya Pathara waterfall from the Ganjam district. You have to cross the Odisha border and reach Andhra, and again from Andhra you have to cross this Odisha border. So this place is like in a border of Andhra and Odisha. This is the Bariya Pathara waterfall. When you get the free time, you must come to this place. This place is a isolated area, so you be ready to come in the morning time, not in the evening time. So you come to this area and have a bath in the nature's pool, and you can enjoy the all nature's beauty in this area. Bye bye from this place Bariya Pathara. केते आसनी बहुत लोग आसनी
हां 10 लोग आसनी
ना एडी केते लोग आसनी बुलिया को
200 300 लोग डेली आसनी
डेली 200 300 सब दिन रविवार खाली हां अलगा रे लोग हल
अलगा रे 50
सुन केक दियो पैन नियंतु अरे पुट रेडी करो So we met some of the localites over here who are very good people, who have guided us where to go and where not to go. And on birthdays of Susri gave her some cake. So मैंने सुश्री टी आज जन्मदिन शुभेच्छा कहि दूं हैप्पी बर्थडे आपने कहि दो ना हैप्पी बर्थडे Susri, how do you feel from this top of this Bariya Pathara waterfall?
This is a nice place. We should have come sooner, but still we enjoyed a lot.
Tell us, how is the place?
The place is very beautiful, though we came late, but we enjoyed a lot.
Hello guys, so this is the end of this video from this Bariya Pathara waterfall.
And this was Rupali's idea.
Yes, at the evening time at 7 PM. So you should come early in the morning, not in the evening time, because it is not that much safe in the night time. So try to come in the morning time, and you can take the bath and bring your swimsuit, and you can take the bath at the nature's pool beside this mountain area. Bye bye and have a great day from this Bariya Pathara waterfall, and happy birthday to our Sushi from all of us. Bye bye.
Through the dark, stand by, watch me fall.